Hi friends, we're back today for another Vlogmas video. Today's video is going to be me getting the house back together after Christmas. It is literally atrocious, like so much crap everywhere. If you watched yesterday's video, you know. Believe it or not, I have brushed my hair every day for the past like 5 or 6 days. But I've just been putting it back up into this so it's not in my way. Got on some boots I got on Amazon, some baggy sweatpants, and this t-shirt. We're gonna clean. So you guys are used to me doing the whole nipple cream thing. Also a while back had strep. I never got diagnosed with strep, but I think I had it before him. And like, I've been continuing to use the same nipple cream before, like since then. Well, I think it kept like, I was having a sore throat for like 2 months straight. And I think it's because I kept using the same nipple cream. So anyway, I am trying this Vaseline because I couldn't get nipple cream. This is the white petroleum instead of like the yellowy petroleum. I like it. It doesn't have a Vaseline taste, just kind of plain. So there we go. Let's clean. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk around the house and pick up trash. I'm gonna start in the living room because that's where most of the trash is right now. I'm out of breath, but now that I've done that, I'm gonna go into the other rooms and pick up all the trash. Be trash, dishes, clothes, pick up items that need to be put somewhere else. Just kind of like, so I'm not doing everything at once. So starting with the trash, I'm gonna do that in all the other rooms.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really trying to change lanes. Well, fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
Okay, so in here I just put all the board games, not all of them, but the ones that we have up here. Some of the stuff Mara got for Christmas that's like creative stuff, and then she's got her little stuff in here. What's wrong with you?
Well, it's something like a Monday or maybe like a Tuesday. Really? I don't even know. Yeah, I went and tried to tell her that I love her, and she told me you can find your way to the friend zone. It's whatever. I don't even care anymore. I just really want to be alone. My best friend keep on blowing up my phone trying to ask me if I'm good, man. What do you think? I mean, really, if I'm trying to be real, then I already know what it is. The best thing you could ever want to wish for at the best time of the year. National Friends Day. I'm as green as I wanna be. Cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing out. Blowing smoke out my head, it's fine. I don't even know the time, I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up, told her tell me how you really feel. But she don't really give a damn, still tell me take a hand. Why we even turning up, you remember what the day is? Yeah, it's National Friends Day, yeah. National F-R-I-E-N-D-S. National Friends Day, yeah. Is it really who we are? Is it really who I am? Is it really who you... Is it really about the green squares, dumb? I don't even want to talk, I don't even want to text. I just really want your best, something more but nothing less. All that stuff come from the chest, so I keep a vest on. Trying to keep me in the zone, man, I feel so home alone. Swear my heart is hella broken, but I swear I play it cool. Love the party, love the function, swear I'm looking like a fool. Well, whatever, I'ma do my own, yeah. Hey, swear I'm about to ghost, yeah. But I'm still here, cause hey, it's National Friends Day, National F-R-I-E-N-D-S. National Friends Day, F-R-N-D, friends forget. F-R-N-D, tell me what you know. F-R-N-D, do I know you? F-R-N-D, 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 friends.
Okay, we are not done with the total cleaning, but done with the main floor. Pretty much, there's still some recycle and trash that needs to be taken out, but the stuff out there is filling up. I am like, bleh. I do not feel 100%. I don't think I'm sick. I just feel like crap. And I think it's probably because I still am like dealing with the aftermath of Christmas. So what I'm gonna do now is go upstairs and kind of clean up. I'm gonna take my walking treadmill upstairs and all of that and get the upstairs cleaned up. I'm running out of daylight, so I'll probably just show you just taking my treadmill upstairs and then close out this video. And then tomorrow we will take down the Christmas, or maybe not tomorrow, but in the next couple days we'll take down the Christmas decorations and stuff. We really don't have that much. It's just a little bit. We got lights and like a couple little things that sit out on the tables, and then the Christmas tree and the stockings, and that's it. I do not do a lot.
Christmas trees.
Oh yeah, and the little mini Christmas trees. I don't do a lot of decorations in general, and even Christmas I don't do that much. It's just clutter is how I feel about it. Anyway, we're gonna take the treadmill upstairs and call it a day. This is the stuff that still needs to go out for trash. That's going outside. This is all stuff that needs to go out to the cars. This is all Russell. All Russell. This hasn't been wiped down yet because I just had to boil something for Mara, and then all this stuff needs to find a home somewhere in the kitchen. But I'm gonna let him do all of the dishes. Other than that, that is stuff that Russell set there. I don't know why he thinks that I put things somewhere just for him to move them somewhere else. This is where his stuff goes. Stuff charging. But we're cleaned up. Of course, like as soon as I get things clean, other stuff gets put out. These are just some little, this is a bird feeder that Mara got for Christmas that she put together. And then this little toy, so we'll put that out for birds. What happened? That thing I need to get rid of. But Christmas, this will all go away. This is our regular stuff, somebody's drink. This is just for, oh shoot, did I hurt your toenail? That's for pickup toys. Ignore that, that should be closed. And then I've got to take these lights down. These stockings, all these stockings need to go. This is all clothes that needs to go upstairs. But other than that, this stuff all needs to go upstairs. But I'm gonna get my treadmill and I'm going to carry it upstairs. Okay, so this is my office. Obviously, I have to find something to do with this. It's kind of a mess, but I'm gonna kind of clean up here tonight. This table came from downstairs. That was our old dining room table. I'm gonna have it there. And then when I cut fabrics, I can just cut fabric. What are you doing? That's my tape.
Not mine.
I can just cut fabrics up here standing instead of using, this is like a coffee table and it's miserable. So I'm gonna find another place for that to go. And thank you. Yeah, so it'll be my sewing desk over here. I've got fabric here that hasn't been cut yet. My printer, scrunchie wall that doesn't have any scrunchies in it right now. And then fabric cutting station or fabric folding station. This is what I take to markets so it can be put away. This is all like packing supplies or just random stuff. So this I'll probably move like over to that side. And then this will just be the only thing over here, but it's better to be right here because I plan on getting up and walking in the morning, and the kids' room is like close to here. So if they need me, they can come right here and I'll be here for them. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, whatever else if you want to. And we will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video.